How to grow portobello mushrooms at home, new tricks and tips. Want to grow delicious portobello mushrooms at home? Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your mushroom game, these new tips will make your harvest easier, faster, and even more sustainable. Plus, stick around for a secret trick most home growers overlook. How to grow portobello mushrooms at home. Step 1. Choose the right growing medium. Skip the pricey peat moss and go eco-friendly. For a sustainable growing medium, try using recycled agricultural byproducts like straw or coffee grounds. They're budget-friendly and better for the environment. Step 2. Create the perfect environment. Portobello mushrooms thrive in dark, humid conditions. Use a plastic storage bin or a cardboard box as your grow chamber. Add air holes for circulation and mist regularly to keep moisture levels just right. Step 3. Use mushroom ends for faster growth. Forget starting from spores. Cloning mushroom ends speeds things up. Cut the white fuzzy stems into 1/4 inch pieces, then layer them in your prepared compost. This method uses mycelium that's already active, cutting your wait time in half. Step 4. Embrace urban farming techniques. Got limited space? Try stacking containers vertically or use a grow tent to maximize small areas. Urban farmers are successfully producing mushrooms right inside apartments. Step 5. Master the harvest timing. Timing is key. Harvest your portobello mushrooms when the cabs are about 4 to 6 inches wide for optimal flavor. Letting them grow too long can make them tough and less tasty. Bonus tip, the hand trick for perfect texture. Here's the secret trick most growers overlook. Gently knead your mushrooms with clean hands before storing them. This removes excess moisture, keeping them firmer and fresher for longer. Recap and final encouragement. By using sustainable materials, cloning mushroom ends, and embracing urban gardening methods, you'll enjoy a rich harvest of portobello mushrooms with less effort